From failure to food truck. The principal's words echoed in my head as I walked out of the office, "You're done here." At 17, with no diploma and a family disappointed beyond words, it felt like the world slammed shut on me. My friends vanished, teachers shook their heads, and every job I applied for asked about that stupid piece of paper I didn't have. Nights got long, and self-doubt crept in hard. But failure has a way of lighting a fire. I started washing dishes at a greasy diner, watching the boss cut deals with local vendors, learning how to stretch a dollar and charm a customer. Every break, I'd listen, really listen, to the regular stories about hustling, grinding, and surviving. I took notes, started flipping thrift shop finds online, and stashed every penny I could. Soon, I bought a beat-up food truck on Craigslist, fixed it up with YouTube tutorials, and convinced my uncle to lend me a secret hot sauce recipe. I hustled hard, parking the truck at every event, rain or shine. People lined up, not just for the food, but for the energy. I treated every customer like they were my only one. The business grew faster than I could have dreamed, and suddenly, the same teachers who doubted me were ordering tacos at my window. Turns out, nobody asks about your high school diploma when you hand them the best meal they've had all week. Success isn't about the papers you hang on your wall, it's about the grind, the guts, and the belief that your future isn't written by your worst day. If you're at rock bottom, remember, the street teaches lessons no classroom ever could.